How often have you found yourself thinking, my business is growing, but my banking isn't keeping up? It's a familiar feeling for any ambitious entrepreneur. That moment when the financial side of your business, managing cash flow, tracking expenses, issuing invoices, starts to feel like a drag instead of a simple process. What worked when you were a one-person operation is now a bottleneck preventing you from scaling efficiently. You're busy winning new clients, developing new products, and hiring your first team members. You need your business bank account to evolve with you, not lag behind. That's where Tide comes in. Tide isn't just a bank account, it's a financial platform built for the journey of business growth. Let's look at exactly how Tide helps you scale your business banking as you grow from a side hustle to a thriving enterprise. When you're first starting out, simplicity is key. Tide offers a fast, straightforward sign-up process that gets you an account number and sort code in minutes. Your focus is on the product, not the paperwork. The free base account gives you the essentials, seamless transactions, and a debit card. Crucially, the in-app tools like automated categorization of transactions start giving you a clear picture of your finances from day one. As you begin to grow, your needs quickly become more complex. You start hiring contractors or your first few employees, and suddenly managing payroll and expenses becomes a headache. This is where Tide shifts gears with you. First, let's talk about expenses and team cards. As your team grows, you can issue additional Tide cards to your employees. But the real game changer is the control. You can set specific spending limits for each card and view every transaction in real time. Say goodbye to that messy shoebox full of crumpled receipts. Employees can snap a photo of the receipt directly in the app, link it to the transaction, and you have instant, digital expense reporting. This feature alone saves hours every month as your business scales. Next up is invoicing. Scaling means more clients, which means more invoices to manage and, critically, chase. Tide allows you to create and send professional, customized invoices directly from the app. You can track their status, sent, viewed, paid, and even set up automatic payment reminders. Better invoicing management means faster payments, which is vital for healthy cash flow in a growing business. But the most significant step in scaling is often embracing true financial control. As you hit major milestones, you might need funding, or you might need a clearer view of your profit and loss. Tide integrates seamlessly with major accounting software like Xero, QuickBooks, and Sage. This means your data is automatically synced, making tax preparation and monthly reporting significantly easier and more accurate. This automation frees up precious time you can dedicate to strategic planning instead of data entry. And finally, for businesses managing multiple income streams or projects, Tide allows you to set up expense pots. You can ring-fence money for specific purposes, like VAT, payroll, or a marketing budget. This simple visual separation prevents accidental overspending and gives you better budgetary control, a necessity as your revenue and costs increase. In short, Tide doesn't make you switch bank accounts as you grow. It simply unlocks more powerful, sophisticated features exactly when your business needs them, creating a financial platform that truly scales alongside your ambition. It transforms business banking from a purely transactional service into a powerful tool for efficiency and control. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.